remove the doorknob button, just use a trim tool or a little pick. Just pry this little door back, and then you should be able to slide it up. Over here, there's a trim piece. Just get in behind here with a pick. Slide that out. And underneath the handle itself, just use a pick. There's a little window right there. That just clips in. Take this trim piece off. Just use a trim tool, get underneath here. And that just clips in. This clip is actually broken, but there should be 3 clips. Now we'll use a 10mm socket. Take this bolt out here. Oops. And there should be 2 down here. Use the same 10mm socket. Grab my magnet. And just use a magnet. Take the other one out. And we're going to go around the perimeter of the door panel using a trim tool. Just find an area that you can get underneath it. It's clipped in all the way around. And just grab the panel and slide up, just like that. Maybe clipped onto the vapor barrier right there. There's a little push pin. All right, let me grab some needle. With some needle nose pliers, just slide underneath where the cable goes into the handle. You're gonna squeeze the cable and slide it out, and then you can slide the ball up. This is what you're squeezing right here. Those 2 little ears, squeeze those down, pull those out. Now disconnect the wires. Just push down on the buttons. And one more. You can grab the panel, just slide it out. Now from the back side, you can take a 7mm socket, take these 2 screws out. And you can take a screwdriver and just slide it out. It is clipped in, there's 3 areas. Just gotta get past those clips. Just slide it out and push it down. There we go. Slides right out. Take the new one, slide it in the same way the old one came out. Lock it in place. Reinstall the screws. And tighten them down. Now line the connectors up. You kind of do this blind a little bit. It's kind of hard to see. And take the cable, line the ball up first, and slide the cable through the hole for the handle. Now grab the panel, and slide it up. There's a little groove that it's going to slide into. It's in the groove. And try to line the door pins up on the side. And when they're lined up, just press them on. Give it a little tap. Now install all the bolts. Get them all started. And when they're all started, go ahead and tighten them down. And we can put the covers on. Just line it up, lock it in place. This one you start by putting the bottom part in first, and then lock the top part in, and line this up, lock it down. And the lock rod, you want to make sure the lock rod's all the way up, and then put the knob on, and then push down, make sure it works.